Digital transformation is not a destination, it's a journey for your customers, employees, partners, and ultimately your business. It all starts with understanding your customers. How do they interact with you today? And how can you use digital touchpoints to create a more engaging customer experience? NTT Data can help you understand and create a digital customer experience. Through interactive workshops, conceptual mobile apps, and digital technology assessments, our digital experience consultants will guide you through the whole process of creating your own customized digital roadmap. Discover how you can provide a better customer experience, increase customer retention, and improve operational efficiencies. Learn more about NTT Data's Collaboration Center and schedule your workshop today. Take the first step on your digital transformation journey. To learn more about NTT Data's Collaboration Center, please visit us at our website, nttdataservices.com/collaboration.